Hello, welcome back to my channel, Behind Closed Doors. This is Wendy. In today's episode, I like to bring you on a Great Gatsby inspired home tour. In today's video, part 1, I will bring you on the home tour inside one of New York City's most exclusive private club, the Cipriani residence. And then in part 2, as this is a Great Gatsby inspired home tour, I'm going to share with you the secrets of the life living inside the Cipriani residence. You won't believe what they're doing on the dance floor, even during the daytime. In part 3, I will share with you my take on this property while we go for a little walking tour around the downtown area. Make sure that you stay until the end because I will share with you how much would a place like this cost. Hey, if this is your first time visiting this channel, make sure that you click on the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification and comment down below and let me know how do you like the Great Gatsby movie. When I used to work on Wall Street, working in the financial services industry, I used to come to Cipriani, the restaurant, for a business lunch. But then during the holiday time, we will also come here for the holiday party. And in fact, my first ever charity gala was the 1920s Gatsby theme here on Wall Street, Cipriani. Now, follow me along. Let's go upstairs and go for a little house hunting. The Cipriani residence has a separate entrance, different from the restaurant. And here we are standing at the lobby and waiting for the elevator to go right into the apartment. Immediately walking into the apartment, this light fixture really caught my attention. Modern, slick, and very unique. It's a focal point that you want to stare at that and look at that for a while. Then turning to the left is the open kitchen. Open kitchen is so popular these days because it allows you to prepare for your food while entertaining your guests. Outside, ooh, this is a very nice view because you're right above Wall Street. Huge window, but a quiet place with a fantastic classic view. Now moving along, that's going to the living room. This is a corner unit. Corner unit is so precious. You can have a lot of window, a lot of sunlight coming in, and the extension of your visual. So now let's go into the master bedroom. The master bedroom has great lighting and huge window. I especially love that the 2 closets as well as the washer and dryers, they're all hidden behind the closet, so the space feels very clean and sleek. And then there's the ensuite master bathroom. Oh, the size is huge, and then there is a vanity where I can imagine making that my makeup place. let's walk to the other room, shall we? Second bedroom in the apartment is located on the other side of the apartment. Similar layout to the master bedroom, but slightly smaller. And right next to it is the powder room. The powder room is where your guests or even the person in the second bedroom can easily access. Hey, if you have not done so, comment down below and let me know how much do you think a place like this above Wall Street and above Cipriani would cost. The privilege of living on top of the famous Cipriani Club in the Gatsby style is that you get to have the 5-star treatment. Not only do you get to enjoy the magnificent downtown Manhattan view from the rooftop, you also get a few secret perks. Here's number 1. Secret number 1, you can get room service here at home. Here, we're not talking about your regular food delivery, but the room service directly fresh from the kitchen from the Cipriani restaurant downstairs, served by your 24-hour on-site staff. Wow, that is indeed the Gatsby luxurious lifestyle. But if you're not impressed enough, let's go to secret number 2. Secret number 2, I can't believe my eyes. They do this on the dance floor even during the daytime. Living the Gatsby lifestyle, you want to be able to enjoy the rooftop, the gym, but more importantly, have access directly into the party. And here, the residence is connected directly into the ballroom, and I can't believe I saw this. So this is the event space?
Yeah.
Okay. People spend thousands to join a party in Cipriani, but the kids who live in this building, they got to go in and out of the ballroom during the daytime and play soccer. Now let's go for a little walk in downtown Manhattan. While we walk, I want to share with you my take on this property. Overall, I was fascinated by the idea of living on top of the classic, famous New York events venue, Cipriani Club. It really makes you feel like you're living in the modern-day Gatsby lifestyle. But here are a few things that I'm concerned about this particular apartment. First is the layout. While the bright windows do bring in plenty of sunlight to brighten up the space, I am a more traditional buyer that I prefer to have the living room in the center of the space as opposed to having to navigate through the apartment to find my living room. The second concern that I have is about the monthly common charge, because to enjoy the luxury lifestyle, you do have to pay a higher price tag for those services. But if I look at comparable market rent, that means that I probably spend 50% of my monthly rent on common charges. That from an investment point of view, it's not such a great deal. And the price of the place is $1.3 million in downtown Manhattan. Did you guess it? And that is all for today. I hope you had a lot of fun and learned a little bit about the 1920s and also the Gatsby extravagant party lifestyle. Make sure that you click on the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification. I will see you at the next theme party.